Unlock the full potential of your Lovablebuilt website by transforming it into a powerful, manageable platform with a dedicated admin panel. First, think about what you want your admin panel to achieve. Consider the core functionalities. Will you need to manage website content like blog posts or product listings? Do you need to oversee user registrations, permissions, or accounts? Perhaps you want to customize the site's design or settings. Easily identifying these key areas is the crucial first step. Next, you'll need to establish a secure foundation. This involves creating a designated area for your admin panel, separate from your public-facing website. This separation is vital for security and organization. Now, let's focus on the structure. Your admin panel will need a system to store and retrieve information. This typically means organizing your data logically, whether it's through a database or a structured file system, ensuring efficient access to all your website's elements. User management is a critical component. You'll want to define different user roles with specific permissions. This allows you to control who can access and modify what within your admin panel, ensuring a secure and controlled environment. With the structure in place, it's time to build the interface. Design intuitive forms and controls that make it easy to add, edit, and delete content. Think about clear labeling, helpful hints, and simple navigation to ensure a seamless experience for anyone managing the site. Finally, connect your admin panel to your website's front end. This integration ensures that any changes made in the admin area are reflected accurately and instantly on your live site, giving you complete control over your online presence.